I swear I wear different clothes. It's just been a lot of videos uploaded today, bro. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be reacting to David Dobrik. The seats were not attached properly. Now, I've actually been a huge fan of David Dobrik. He's like my favorite YouTuber. I've been a huge fan of him for, I think, since like, let's say mid-2016. Like, I think in between May to August, in that area. I'm not positively sure. It's been over 2 years. I've been a huge fan of him. Liked everything he's ever posted on Instagram, YouTube. Huge fanboy. It's never occurred to me to react to his videos before, because I didn't think like they'd get a lot of views, because, you know, David Dobrik, he's so popular. He probably has so many people reacting to him, but not a lot of people react to him. And I think he deserves a couple reactions, you know, and they do well, you know. That doesn't hurt at all. Kind of inspires me to do it more. But yeah, let's jump on into it.
Spirit Airlines be like.
Right there, that's his thumbnail. That was quick.
Go, get out of here. Go,
I don't know this car.
Oh, that's a cop right there.
Oh, God.
Pulled over?
Yep.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Dre, my bad.
He has amazing luck for getting people pulled over. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's unreal.
My bad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Pause it again. And I thought this video would be boring if that was his thumbnail and that was all it was, is just her falling in the intro. I thought this would be boring. That was quick.
Nice to see you. My name's Jason.
Nice to meet you. I'm Brandon, okay?
Go, drive.
You fucking idiot! Never again fucking yell at me when I'm driving. You just lost privileges to yell at me.
So guys, Natalie's getting hooked up to a lie detector test.
What
kind of porn do you want?
one of the funniest.
Do you like working for me?
True.
Wow.
No
Natalie's
fucking way.
pissed that we got that out of her.
Natalie, would you ever hook up with David?
No.
It's a lie.
Natalie,
No way.
this is a work environment. I'm down. No.
These guys, they know what they're fucking doing. They know people want them to be hooked. Honestly, I think those guys make a better couple than him and Liza. I prefer those two together than him and Liza. I think I said this in my last video. These guys know what they're doing. They are playing along with it. They for sure know what they're doing, especially after that TikTok.
David, what the fuck you doing? You just won a Kid's Choice Award. Stop smoking that.
What are the pictures for?
TMZ. I'm gonna get so much press after this, I'm bound to get verified.
I'm getting lightheaded.
These kids just hopped in the car. Apparently you have a huge house.
Which means the parents have a lot of money.
All right, kids, we're gonna need you to call your parents and tell them we need $1 million if they ever want to see you again.
Every one of our friends watches all your videos all
That'd be
the
the
time.
stupidest
You mean
thing
the
to do
world
is
to
tell
I
one, two
appreciate
people
it.
out there
Get it,
really
kid. We're gonna
famous.
fucking kill you. I don't give a shit if you watch the videos. They're all fake. They're all fucking fake.
Guys, Todd's gonna try a quick science experiment. All right, here we go, Todd. In 3, 2,
Oh
1.
no, he's gonna fucking break his tooth.
Oh my god! Oh my
Bro, I seen him do that before out in public. What the fuck? That's stupid.
Hole in here. Nice. No, I'm kidding. Show me how Todd has sex.
No.
What? Show me.
No, I can't. Todd, you want me to do it?
Well, yeah, do it. Go.
This is the best sex ever, isn't it?
You know how fucking lucky you are?
How do I have sex?
He doesn't.
Oh, I'm sorry.
How does Zane have sex?
Impression people having sex.
He does it.
This is Josh.
Maybe
This
wait
is
till
Jonah.
Jonah
Josh is
comes
gonna
around.
take Jonah for a ride in his new car. You're a stunt driver? Yeah. Jonah, you gotta jump in.
Dude, why am I getting into Formula F1?
Not a bad fucking idea.
That's not a...
Oh my god.
It's gonna be shit. So.
Jonah, how you feel?
I gotta get the fuck out, bro.
Oh my god.
It's his worst nightmare.
He's gonna puke, bro. He
my
pukes
God.
all the
Look
time.
at
He's gonna
Jonah.
puke.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jonah.
Oh my god, he's gotta
Get the
puke.
fuck out of
That's like on a public road too, bro. Are you stupid? That's a don't let him down now. I drive that.
Oh my god.
I like want to get out of your car just watching that.
Jonah, does
That
it
guy
feel
has so
fast
many
in there?
ticks on his license.
Does it feel
I
fast in
bet.
there?
It felt like I was passing away.
Pilot just informed me that we will be putting our seatbelts on. We're just going to be experiencing a little bit of turbulence, but it should be a smooth
Can't be fixed, man. This
ride.
fucker's going down. I read the manual.
Is that the pilot?
Huh?
No.
Hey guys, it's your captain speaking. I got some bad news and some good news. Bad news is we're crash landing. Good news is we're going to be on the ground a lot sooner than expected.
Where the fuck, Scott? This shit's going down, bro!
He's got to be the funniest one out of be honest.
You stupid fuck!
She's still talking.
Yeah, bring extra gas! It's a fucking plane, you fuckhead!
See a little clip at the end though.
The plane is going down! Downtown! We're gonna be landing downtown!
Shout out to Corinna though, honestly, for that scene. She had to try so hard not to laugh and keep talking. I mean, you can only go for so long. I think Jason's gotta be the funniest though out of those guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and link in the description for something. I don't know, my second channel. Subscribe to my second channel. Follow me on Instagram at Braden Sanford. Subscribe. I'm estimated to hit 1,000 subs in 8 months, bro. You know how cool that is? It would be a lot quicker if all you guys watch this. Subscribe right now. And if you are subscribed already, there's a little bell, like right beside the subscribe. Make sure it has post notifications turned on to all my videos. You know, I react to a lot of David Dobrik videos, Sidemen videos. I do some of my own content too. You know, so subscribe and peace.
Bring me to sleep.